Hey guys, welcome back to the QSC YouTube channel. Today we will be starting the the past papers for the mock for for the math mock. So in this video we will be doing paper 2. So for the questions for this question, I'm only gonna be doing the required questions which are th which I will do right now. To solve this question, we need to complete the stem and leaf diagram. So here we have the stem and leaf 0, 1, 2. So for 0 we have 1, 3, 4, 5 twice, and 8. So like here it will be 0. So here as we see we have 1 and we have 0, 1. Then 3, 4, 5, etc. Now for 1 we just take everything that has like the first number, like how can I say it? Has the tens unit, like let's say 11, we would put 1 here. And then if it was 12, like in the third number we'd put 2 here. Okay, it looks like that's all we have. And for 2, there is only 23 and 24. Find the median. The median is the number in the middle. So we arrange everything. Let's arrange it. We order it first, like in ascending order. 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, 11, 23, 24. Then we start crossing out. 1, 24, 3, 23, 4, 11, 5, 8. The median is 5. Now we move on to question number 20 of this paper. Okay. So to find the answer, here they're asking to find A intersection B prime intersection of C. So B prime is everything that's not B. So B prime will be in red, which is this part. And C will be the one in black. As you can see, this part in blue, or just wait a second, or this part is the answer, is the intersection of A intersection B prime intersection C. We move on to question number 23. So if the probability of that Anna picks a red sweet is 2 over 5, and the probability that Anna and Ben both pick a yellow sweet is 1 over 10. So first let's find out the probability that Ben picks a red sweet. So we know that the probability that Anna picks a yellow will be 3 over 5 times Ben, which we'll call B, is 1 over 10, which will give us, so if we multiply by 5 over 3 to cancel this out, we'll get the answer to be 1 over 6, which is the probability of Ben to get a yellow sweet. Just give me a second. So if the probability of Ben to get a sweet is 1 over 6, a yellow sweet is 1 over 6. So to find what's the probability if Ben gets a red sweet, we do 1 minus 1 over 6, which will give us 5 over 6. And now to find the probability if both of them pick a red sweet, so we do 2 over 5 times 5 over 6, which will give us 1 over 3. Okay, so that's it for this paper. I am back again to finish like the second paper. To finish the second paper because there are 5 different papers for paper 2, and then in another video that I'll be posting in an hour or so, we'll be doing paper paper 4. So to start, we're gonna do question number 2. So first of all, we need to find the total, like the total amount of cars. So we're gonna be doing 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, which will give us 20. Okay? So that means the total amount of cars is 20. Now to find the angle for each car, like not for each color, for each car, we're gonna do 360 divided by 20, which will give us 18. So it's 18 degrees per car. Okay? And now to find the red cars, the sector angle for red cars is we just do 18 times 3, which is 54. And now we move to number 6. This one is really easy. We just do 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.32, which will be 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.32 is 0.48. 0.48. Okay. So now we move to 2021. And in the 2021 papers we have it's May, June, questions 5, 6 and 13. Okay, so for this one we can, and for number 5a, it shows us this scatter diagram, and it's really clear that the like if you join the points together, it will give us a downward sloping line, which means that it is a negative correlation. Now for B, each of the 4 scatter diagrams shows the same set of data. A line has been drawn on each diagram. The line in which diagram is the most appropriate line of the best fit? The line of the best fit is the line that intersects the most points on the graph. So it's clearly not this, and not this. It's diagram C. Okay. So now we go to number 6, which I cannot do it myself right now since I don't have a compass, and I cannot show it to you guys right now, of course. So I cannot do anything to solve this question, I'm sorry. We move on to number 13. We need to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we need to find the value of this arc or AOC, which is this one, okay? And that is 44. And since this angle x is intercepting the same arc, so it's gonna be double O. So x is gonna be equal to 88. Okay, now this is done. Next thing we're gonna do pap 2020 May June only question 20. Oh my goodness. I am back to solving this question. Uh, Wait a second. Guys, we are not gonna be solving this question because it's too, I think we can obviously tell why we're not gonna do this question. If this comes in the external, we are all cooked. We are all failing, okay? So good luck in your exam. Okay, so for the last past paper and paper 2, we're gonna be doing 2019 questions 18 and 21. So guys, for this question, to find out the height of each of the remaining bars, we do what? Now to find everything now to find the height of each of the remaining bars, we do 35 to find out the scale. We do 35 minus 35 divided by 25 minus 15, which will give us 3.5, right? But but they said here that it's 7. So so every time we do, like, let's say 32 divided by 30 minus 25, which will be 32 divided by 5, we double the answer at the end. So for this one, we're gonna do 32 divided by 5, which is 6.4, times 2, which will be 12.8. And now for the third one, 30 to 50, we're gonna do 44 divided by 20. Then we multiply by 2 to make everything to the same scale. So 4.4, and then the one before was 12.8. This is 7. And the last one is 12 divided by 30, then multiplied by 2, which is 0.8. Okay, for the last question of this video, we're gonna be doing number 21. Okay, so x prime is gonna be in black, is gonna be pretty much everything that is not x. Intersection y, and let's say that y is red. And we're just gonna make it obvious that this part, the one with both red and black, is the answer for A. For B, the Venn diagram shows information about the gardeners who grow melons, potatoes, and carrots. We need to find the probability that the gardener does not grow carrots. So to find out the probability that he doesn't grow carrots, we just we just let's say remove all of the like like C entirely, and then the rest, which is 3, 6, and 12, which will give us 21. You divide it by the total, which is 21. But wait, there's also this 23. So it is gonna be 44 over 44 plus 44 over the total, which will be 44 plus 5 plus 2 plus 10 plus 7, which is 44. 44 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 10, which is 68. Okay, we move on to the next part. The number that M intersection P union C prime. M in M intersection B, M intersection P will be in black. M intersection P is this. And then C prime is this. This. This as well. This as well. So basically, uh, we need to find M intersection P first, as we said, which is 8, and then you add the union of C prime. So you do 8, which is this part, union C prime. C prime includes the 23, the 12, and the 3, which is, so it's gonna be, oh, yeah, never mind. So it's gonna be 5, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 3 plus 12 plus 23, which is 46. That's it for this video. Good luck in your exam, guys. Especially good luck in your mock. See you guys in the next video, which will be paper 4.